Hey developers, what's up guys? Welcome to Dev. My name is Amin and today I want to talk about dev environment that you need to install React.js. As I said in the previous video, if you don't watch it, go for it immediately and do not forget to subscribe me. Let's go! Here we have dev environment. When it comes to dev environment, following tools will be needed. First of all, we have Node.js. You should install it on your system to do some terminal command. For example, making your React.js project with terminal command, then you should have Node.js on your machine. In order to check whether you have Node.js installed on your system or not, you should do this. Windows and R to open CMD and type node -- version. Here is a text that tell me the version of my Node.js is 16.16.0. And the important point of this part is about the minimum version of your Node.js. The minimum version of Node.js should be 5.2.0 to start React.js with it. And now if you don't have Node.js on your system, you can navigate to its website that is located in nodejs.org here. And it's detect operating system that you are using, and mine is Windows. You can download it and install it on your machine and do some terminal command with Node.js. Second one is about your web browser that you are using. I would suggest Google Chrome as your web browser, but technically it's optional. And actually, if you have another web browser, your result might be a little bit different. I don't know, your display might be a little bit different, but don't worry about it. And the most important part of dev environment is about our text editor. That again, I would suggest you Visual Studio Code. It is an awesome open source text editor for work with front-end web developing. Visual Studio Code. And about web browser, if you don't have it, you can navigate to its website and download it easily. And about Vscode, you can type Visual Studio Code and click on the first link and you have this page. Here you can download it for your system. And when you install Vscode on your machine, you can open it and the first page you can see is get started in Visual Studio Code. I close it and here this is the first page of your Vscode. And I want to talk about your text editor Vscode now, and it's all about the extensions that I'm using and some extensions that I would suggest you during the course, and actually settings that you need to set it up on your Vscode. And if you want to know that what extensions that I'm using, you can navigate to my GitHub that I put the link for you guys and have my extensions. Here is my GitHub and here I have 3 pictures. First one is about some extensions, auto rename tag or bracket pair colorizer or other. And here is the second one and .m is the third one. You can have them here, and to install these extensions on your Vscode, you can click here on extensions part and search the name of your extensions. For example, Prettier. I type it here, click on it, and by this button you can install or uninstall it for your Vscode. And about these file that I named it Setting.Json, you can copy this JSON file. This is the setting that you need to set it up on your Vscode to have same Vscode setup with me. And when you have copied these, you can click here on manage and setting. On this page, we have an icon to change and open Setting.Json. And you can paste all of it here to have the same settings and extensions with me in Vscode to be comfortable with my course and tutorial. And here you can editor that font size and actually autosave or tab size, or for example your zoom level. And that was about the extensions that I'm using in my Vscode and settings to be same with me, guys. Please install and do the settings for you on your Vscode, and the next video we will start React.js tutorial. So today is at the end of it, and I hope to be useful for you guys. And in the next video, I want to start React.js and install the React.js project and build Hello World for you guys. Do not lose our next video, and please don't forget to subscribe me. Be nice guy. Farewell.